Okay, I'm going to show you how to prep your nails to put on a wrap. First of all, you need to get your wraps, pick out your wraps, and you need to measure and make sure that the size fits your nail, doesn't go onto your cuticle and onto the sides. Okay, then you need to take your nail file and kind of just buff the ridges off a little bit. You don't have to do a lot. And then you take an alcohol wipe and wipe it off. Let it dry. Turn on your heater. If you don't have a heater, you can use a hair dryer. Now, in the wrap instructions, it tells you to cut the wrap in half before you put it on your nail. I like to save my money, and as you can see, this is what was left after putting the wrap on my ring fingers. And if I had cut that in half, I'd have two little pieces, but that's a piece that I can use on my pinky nail or, whatever. You take your orange stick and you lift it up. Make sure you don't touch the underside, the sticky part. You hold it up to your heater for 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. Then you center it on your nail. Make sure that's centered. It's not. Okay. Then you trim it off. I always try to hold it on the orange stick so I don't drop it. And I put that back on. Okay. And then you put each side up to your heater. 1, 2, 3. And use your cuticle pusher. And you just push it. I may have to turn that. No. And I have it on there crooked, so I'm going to lift it. I'll redo that. And the nice thing about these wraps is they're pretty forgiving. This wrap is a little big, so I'm going to trim it right here along this edge. Just a little bit. So that it's not on my skin or my cuticle. Just making sure it's all the way down. And then you take your nail file and you file straight down to remove the excess. You don't want to go side to side because you'll pull it up. For shorter nails that you can't do the up and down, you can go this way and then this way on it. Pull that piece off. And, oops, forgot to grab. And then you take your plastic bag, you put it over it, heat it up until you feel it's warm enough. It won't get real hot. And then just rub with your finger. And got a little piece right there. Gotta fold. And you're done. Ready to go. It's that easy.